Hi, this is Sam from Kupaokart. In this video, I'm going to show you around our production plant.
After 6 years of expansion, our tracks are all over China. And right now, we have 2,800 tracks in China and over 200 around the world.
But first, we're going to start from our Kupao welding workshop. So, in order to develop a chassis, everything starts from cutting the tubes, and this is our laser cutting machine. And after the tubes are being cut, it's going to bend by our electric bending machine. But in some cases, manual bending the tubes may apply in our production process. So all the steel sheets here will be cut by our laser cutting machine and then bended by our hydraulic electric bending machine. And after all the raw materials are being bent and laser cut, our welding process begins. So once the chassis are welded, then it's being sent to the assembly factory. Once the chassis are being moved to here, we're going to perform a series of quality testing and inspection. And now we're at the warehouse where all the procured parts are being stored, such as electric motors, tires, headrests, and seats, basically everything for final assembly. And here is the assembly line, where our workers will put all the parts together for final assembly, and here is our final products are waiting to be shipped. And for better protection, all our cards will be shipped in a wooden box. And all the magic happens in our research and development department, where 3D printer is applied for engineering prototype and research and testing will take place for better end product. Inside our operation office, our sales department will be working effortlessly to fulfill the requirement. And all the fun and excitement in the track will be designed by our track designing team. And over here is our operation department who will deliver your track and also help with the staff training on the daily operations. If you're interested in our products and services, you're always welcome to visit our factory and take a test drive for our amazing go-karts. And this is Sam from kupaokart.